No startup exists in a vacuum. Whether you're building a brand new product or entering a crowded market, understanding your competition is key. In this lesson, we'll explore how to conduct a competitive analysis and identify what makes your startup truly different. Competitive analysis starts with knowing who your competitors are. These can be direct competitors offering similar products to the same audience, or indirect ones solving the same problem in a different way. For example, a fitness app and a personal trainer might compete for the same user's time and money, even if they don't look like traditional rivals. Start by listing known players in your space. Look at their websites, read customer reviews, explore their pricing models, and study their features. Pay attention to what users love and what frustrates them. Tools like G2, Capterra, App Store reviews, and Reddit threads can offer unfiltered customer insights. From there, map out their strengths and weaknesses. What do they do well? Where are they falling short? Are there gaps in the market that no one is addressing? This helps you find opportunities to create something better, faster, or more focused. You should also analyze how they position themselves. What's their messaging? Who are they targeting? What tone do they use in marketing? Understanding a competitor's brand and voice can help you find ways to stand apart. Next, look at their go-to-market strategies. Are they investing heavily in paid ads, content marketing, or partnerships? What channels seem to be working for them? Competitive intelligence isn't about copying, but learning from what's working in your space. Now comes the most important part, differentiation. How will your product be meaningfully different? This doesn't mean having more features. It means solving the problem better, faster, or in a way that aligns with a specific audience need. You can differentiate on functionality, design, pricing, speed, integration, support, brand voice, or even community. Sometimes your edge comes from simplicity, doing less but doing it brilliantly. Other times it's about niche focus, serving a narrow audience better than anyone else. The key is clarity. Be able to explain in one sentence why a customer should choose your product over a competitor's. That's your unique value proposition, and it should be baked into everything you do, from your homepage to your pitch deck. You don't need to beat the competition at everything. You just need to own a piece of the market where you're the best fit. In fact, trying to outdo every competitor in every area can lead to complexity and diluted focus. Great startups pick a lane and dominate it. Your competitive landscape will also evolve. New players will emerge. Existing ones will pivot. Keep your analysis updated, but don't obsess. Focus most of your energy on your users and your product. Competitors are important, but customers are everything. Finally, remember that competition is a sign of opportunity. If others are in the space, it means there's real demand. Your job is to understand the landscape, carve your niche, and communicate your edge with confidence. Let's get clear on who you're up against and why your product stands out.